Me as I make my daughter's beautiful hair for school. This is called rubber thread hair, Nigerian African style. So as I made the first one, my daughter was like, this thing is touching my back, it's touching my skin. I should just do a longer hair so that I will pack it up. Who does that? So guys, I have to add more extra wool so that the thing will be more longer, so that we can be able to pack it upwards after we finish the finisher bell. So ever since I just learned how to plait hair, my daughter have been receiving a lot of beautiful hair from mommy. So guys, what do you guys think about this rubber thread hair? Watch till the end and then call the result for me. Did I try? Do you want to try this on your daughter's hair? You can actually follow these steps or follow the way I am. Actually I did it big because I don't have strength, because I have other house chores to go do, man. So guys, as I'm wakatarani ya big now wakata ya big so that the thing go finish quick. But at the end of the day, everything looks so good, everything looks so perfect. So guys, the beauty of a hair is you being able to demarcate it so well, and you being able to make the ground of the hair to be clean. That's the beauty of a hair. This is where I've already plaited the hair finish. I don't even understand. Yes guys, so this is the final result of the hair. I'm about to make a little two pieces in the front so that it will have another shape, like all will not gonna be all back, but I have to pack some at the back and then bring out two pieces in the front to actually bring out the beautiful face of my beautiful princess, you understand? So this is me cutting the wool, the owu thread, the yotago. So let us do the second one just like the way we did the first one. Okay guys, have you shared to your lovely friends? Have you what are you waiting for? Support your girl by liking, subscribing to our channel, and then sharing to your friends as well. You can follow us if you're watching from Facebook. If you're watching from YouTube, just click and subscribe buttons. It is totally free. So we have landed to the packing of the hair. We don't pack and finish, as you know they see I'm so as we don't pack and finish, I have to give the hair some small colorful brightful with a toy for hair. Do you hear go? So look at the hair. What do you guys think? Is it beautiful? Like check it out now. I cannot be one of anyways. So this is it guys. Please share this video for us, because I am so happy that salon is no longer eating my money for hair, for my daughter's hair. I can now plait my daughter's hair so beautiful with different styles. All you have to do is just to follow us for more beautiful style. You can actually make beautiful hair for your daughter as well. You can actually make beautiful hairs for your daughters. Okay, so guys, this is it. I have to style the front because styling the front will actually make the hair more beautiful and more sexy. You guys can see the way I style the front. What do you guys think? This is my princess that is so beautiful. What do you guys think about the hair? Look at the hair now, hairing out itself. Look at the hair with my blue light on. I have to record the hair with my blue light on.